Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing the apple of my eye. This is the other set from this series called Apple of My Eye. These are also plush, not plush pendants, these are pendants that you can hang from the tree. I did another boxing before of the Apple of My Eye set as well, which are also pendants that you can hang from your Christmas tree or anywhere that light up. So please watch out for that video. Today this is the other set of Apple of My Eye. They also have 6 characters, 6 in the box, as you can see, and a possible secret. May have a secret, but knowing my luck, we never get a secret. So there are 6 characters in this one, so similar to the other Apple of My Eye, but this one includes Molly. This one did not include Molly. I think Molly might have been a secret. I'm not sure. It might have been. So in this series we have Demu, we have Labubu, we have Demu, Labubu, we got Molly, Twinkle Twinkle, Skull Panda, and Hirono. So those are the 6. So let's get unboxing. So I picked this up also from the Pop Mart in Westfield, London, White City, and this set and this set, so both from the same place. So the box is really nice. This one is a red box with 2 bows on the side and standard writing on the back. Unboxing. Okay, there we go. So we've got 6 to go. Let's start from the back this time. Box number 1. So the box is similar. The apple is embossed, so it kind of sticks out a bit. And you've got 6 characters here and a possible secret. So let's go. Box number 1. I think I know who we got here. Yes, so these are the accessories. I know who we got. This is Molly. Yes, we have Molly. So Molly, not one of my favourite IPs. Sorry to say, a bit boring for me, but there we are, Molly. and she comes with these red and white pom-poms that you place just inside the apple behind her, and it comes with the string. As we have here, and the string you can attach to the hook at the top there, and you can hang from your tree. It does have a little accessory there as well. I think it looks like a little flame that you place into her hand there, but I won't do it at the moment. So first one we have is Molly, and this is the card for Molly, and that's the back. It says Candlelight Fairy Tale. So Candlelight Fairy Tale for Molly. Okay, that's box number 1. Let's go for the middle back. Oh, very heavy, this one. Not much movement in there. Very, very heavy. I'm guessing this is Demu. This one. It's very, very heavy. Very, very heavy. They're all in the shape of the apple, so as the series goes, apple of my eye. So second one we have is, oh, more plastic. Yes, we have Demu. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. So Demu is sitting inside the snowy apple, all cozy and wrapped up, wearing his Santa hat with a Christmas tree next to him, and his little friend there, fox friend. And when you turn it around, it's a kind of house igloo that he's sitting in, with a window here and a door, with his cloud friend as disguised as a snowman, and his little cloud friend on his hair as well. So we have Demu, which is Secret in the Snowball. Secret in the Snowball. So again, the attachment is the string that comes with it, so you can attach it to the top here and then hang it to your Christmas tree or anywhere you want, really. So that's box number 2. Box number 3. Slightly lighter this time. We have Twinkle Twinkle. As you know, Twinkle Twinkle, not one of my favourite IPs, but Twinkle Twinkle. So he's sitting, Twinkle Twinkle, sitting in the middle of the apple, top of the apple, bottom of the apple, and then the bow at the back carved out of the apple. And he's got this on him. Oh, there we are. He's got 2 little stars there. The attachment for the Christmas tree, and there we have it. Twinkle Twinkle, twinkling wishes, twinkling wishes, twinkle twinkle. So that's box number 3. So on to the last 3 now. Quite a firm one as well. It's not much movement in there. So, I'm guessing this might be Hirono. Yes, we have Hirono. Nice. Very nice. So Hirono is sitting inside of a carved out apple, cozy by the fire, writing a list and checking it twice. And on the top of the apple has a sticker that you get when you have an apple. They always have a sticker on it, and that's just at the top of the apple there. There we have Hirono. Can't wait to put these on my Christmas tree. So we have Hirono, wish list. He's making a list and he's checking it twice. So that's Hirono. So we've got the attachments as well. Attachments as well can come with it. So on to our last 2 boxes, guys. Another firm one. I think they're all quite firm because they're all in the shape of an apple. So again, I've been waiting for this set to come out in the UK for a while now. I've been going back and forth into the pop marts and checking if it's been released, and finally it has. So box number 5, who do we have? I'm guessing either Skull Panda, let's hope it's Skull Panda, yes. Now I've been waiting for this one for so long. This is Skull Panda. Skull Panda, one of my favourite IPs, as you know, as there's so much detail and artwork that goes into it. And she's sitting inside the apple, and got one orb is half the apple, and the other orb a full shaped orb with a nice bow in her hair and her helmet. Then when you turn her around, a nice big bow at the back. And she's just sitting in the apple, giving a whisper. So we have Skull Panda. And yes, Whisper a Wish. We got Whisper a Wish. That's why she's doing this. That's the back. So that's box number 5, guys. And on to the last one. Oh. Box is quite difficult to open this time. This one didn't have a proper rip to it. So I'm guessing this is Labubu. And we have box number 6, Labubu. Not one of my favourite IPs, but this design is really nice. So you can change her eyes when you twist the top. So she's got different eye designs when you twist her around, which is really nice. So yeah. So we have Labubu. That's the attachment there. So we have Wonderful Spin. Wonderful Spin from Labubu. Okay, there we have it. So that's all 6 from the Apple of My Eye series. So my favourites, as you know, are Skull Panda. Look how beautiful she is. And Hirono, very nice as well. And we have Demu, very nice, one of my favourites as well. And where's the other one gone? Yes, so 3 are my favourites. These 3. And the other 3, not my favourites, to be honest. Let me know what are your favourites in the comments. Stay tuned for more unboxing. I shall be putting these on my Christmas tree straight away, along with the other set. I will be unboxing another set. As you can see here, I have the Hirono Mime full set, as well as the Hachipupu full set, Night of Fantasy. So stay tuned for those unboxing. So I hope you've enjoyed today, and let me know your favourite ones in the comments, and see you next time. Bye for now.